This perfect. After which I'm going to be adding a little bit more water because of this my dough was still looking very hard and strong. I'm going to be adding a little more water here just to get them together, and then my butter in go my butter. Mix guys. At this point, mix like your life depends on it. Actually, the dough's life depends on it. And then after you mix, you set aside to rest for 30 minutes, and you have this beautiful gorgeousness, this beauty. And take your dough at this point to your working surface. Take it to your working surface. You cut into your desired number. I cut this into, I think, 15 thereabouts. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm guessing, but I'm sorry. After which you roll, and then I'm going to be making normal buns and sausage buns for meat. So you prepped your sausage already. Cut your sausage into two. If you want to use the whole sausage like a single sausage, you can use that, is fine, but for the cost of this video I'm using half a sausage to do it. After cutting them into the same, just make sure you get the measurement right, and if you have a scale, it comes very handy here. You can use it so you can get perfect shape for each of your bread. After which I'm shaping them. I'm going to roll them around the sausage, then mold some into balls and place them, line them neatly on my baking tray. And then set aside to puff for a few minutes. And after that, guys, please do not forget to, if you've been coming with us to this point, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on post notification. You know what it is, this Christmas, guys, this Christmas we had to pepper them with our menu, with our recipes. You'll be having so many girls to coming around, guys. Do this amazing buns for them, and honestly it's not going to last a day in your kitchen before it runs out. So at this point, I'm trying to mold them into my desired shape, of course, and then line them on the tray, baking tray. Line them on my baking tray. Egg wash them, those beauty, and then bake. I'll be baking for 15 minutes at 350, and voila, you just made yourself an amazing burgers, guys. Look at those beauty. Look at them, looking all fine, all dope, all pretty in the oven. Voila, you can have this, serve it anything. I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to pair my with. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking, thank you for your shares, and until next time, see you, bye bye.